Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to discuss about physical world very short answer questions. This is very small chapter. In this only 5 ESAQs are there. One is coming for board of intermediate. What is the first very short answer questions? What is the physics? Physics is the study of nature. When we study the nature, we can get the information. Nowadays we are using many applications based on physics. What are those? We can from the sun we can get the solar energy, how to generate the electric power, and how the earth gravity is acting. All this belongs to study of the nature. So this is manifestation of that basic laws. It is giving many fruits. So simply we should write it. Study of nature is called the physics. Then second very short answer question is, what is Raman effect? Raman is from our India only. He discovered that Raman effect. In that he discussed that scattering of light molecules of a medium when they are in vibrational energy levels. So he discovered that Raman effect. That is the second VSAQ. Then third one is, what are the basic forces are there in nature? You know that there are many forces we should observe, that frictional force is there, electrical force is there, chemical force is there. Like that many forces, when we are walking, the force which is opposing our motion, that is called the friction is there. Like magnetic force is there, nuclear force is there. Some because of chemical reaction also we are getting some forces. But there are many forces, but all these forces they classified under belongs to these four basic forces are there in nature. First one is the gravitational force, second one is the electromagnetic force, third one is the strong nuclear force, and fourth one is the weak nuclear force. When we should observe the gravitational force belongs to this one chapter is there, gravitation. In that deep discussion is there about that gravitational force. What is gravitational force? Between two massive bodies, some attractive force is acting, that is the gravitational force. Now you can ask one question, why we are not feeling that one? Gravitational force is one of the weak force and long range force, that is the gravitational force. Electromagnetic force, when we are discussing about the charges and that poles, when some forces are acting, it may be attractive or it may be repulsive based on that nature, that is the electromagnetic force. Then third one belongs to strong nuclear force. Nucleus means it is the center of the atom. Inside the nucleus, protons and neutrons are there. Between that some attractive force is acting, that is called the strong nuclear force. When you can go through the neighbor atoms, there also we can observe the attractive force between the nucleons, that is the weak nuclear forces. So that there are four types of basic forces are there. One is the gravitational force, second one is the electromagnetic force, third one is the strong nuclear force, and fourth one is the weak nuclear force. Then in this next question is, what is the symmetry? One is the acceleration due to gravity and another one is the universal gravitational constant. Acceleration due to gravity is the small g. When we are going planet to planet, this is changing, it is variable. Suppose we are on earth, so that value is approximately, you are taking 9.8 meter per second square. When we are going to the moon, so we are floating there, that people they are wearing suits and that more weight is there, that dresses. Why? That acceleration due to gravity is very less comparing with the earth. That value is 1/6 times of that acceleration on the earth. So this g value is varying from the planet to planet, but capital G is constant. Wherever you are going, entire the universe, we are taking that G is the constant. So universal gravitational constant is the symmetry and it is variable from planet to planet. Then the last question is, what is the Shekhar limit? See, you know that in nature, in universe, many people are researching. Still the research is going on black hole. What is the black hole? Death of the star is called the black hole. So whenever, because of hydrogen and helium reactions, stars are having the self-illuminating power. When these gases are reducing, what happens? The star is getting slowly different stages, red gain star, supernova, like that. One of the stage was discovered by Shekhar, that is called the Shekhar limit. So when you are giving the answer, you can say Shekhar discovered that, Shekhar studied the structure and evaluation of the stars. Shekhar limit equals to 1.4 times of that mass of the sun. So that is the Chandrasekhar limit. So these 5 answers are very easy. What is the physics? Study of nature is called the physics. What is the Raman effect? Raman discovered the Raman effect. What are the basic forces in nature? Then which is symmetry? Small g and capital G. Then last one is the what is the Chandrasekhar limit. So these are very easy. Easily you can get 2 marks from this chapter. Thank you everyone.